Fanyil BunnyPal is marketed as a cute and interactive plush bunny designed to provide companionship through lifelike movements, sounds, and touch responsiveness. While it seems like an adorable gift or toy for children, many are questioning whether Fanyil BunnyPal is legit or a scam. Some users praise its soft design and interactive features, claiming it offers comfort and entertainment, especially for kids or as a novelty item. However, there are notable concerns to consider. Many customers report issues with durability, as the BunnyPal often stops working correctly after a short period of use. Others mention loud motor noises, poor battery life, or unrealistic expectations set by marketing materials. Additionally, the high price point raises questions about its value, especially when compared to simpler, more reliable plush toys. The lack of transparency about warranty or customer support further adds to skepticism. In a nutshell, while Fanyil BunnyPal may seem charming and fun, its inconsistent performance and steep cost make it hard to recommend confidently. Research thoroughly and manage your expectations before purchasing. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.